First, identify your Nissan Frontier key fob. It's typically rectangular with buttons for lock, unlock, and panic functions. Locate the seam on the fob's back, typically along the sides. This is where the two halves meet. Gently insert a plastic pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the halves. Avoid using metal tools to prevent short-circuiting the electronics. Some models might have a small screw. If so, remove it first with a screwdriver before prying the case open. Be careful not to apply too much force to prevent cracking the plastic casing. Once separated, you'll see the internal components. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 coin cell battery. Use the plastic pry tool to carefully lift the old battery out, noting the orientation, positive side up. Take the new CR2032 battery and place it in the same orientation, ensuring it's seated securely. Next, snap the case back together, reinserting any screws if applicable. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. The lights should flash, or the vehicle should respond. Dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center. Replacing the battery proactively every 18 months helps prevent lockouts.